What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, it is Vlogmas Day 10, you guys, and I am so excited. This is the most videos that I have ever posted daily in a row on my channel since being on the platform for over a year. So this is very, very exciting. Thank you guys for joining me on this ride. In today's video, I just wanted to bring to your attention a Black-owned company that sells face soap. And so I'm going to dive in and try this soap with you guys. And the name of the company is Amiya Beaute. I'll have her information in the link. This is not sponsored. I just want to give a shout out to my sister and support her on her journey. So this is what the soap looks like. It smells amazing. It smells really, really good. It smells like, almost smells like cocoa butter and a mix of vanilla. So I'm very excited to get into this. So I'm going to use this evening for my nighttime face routine. And so before I go to bed, I want to go ahead and I've been meaning to clean up my eyebrows, so I'm going to do that really, really quick. They look pretty good, but you can tell that there's a little stubble growing in, so I'm going to do that really quick with one hand. See, nothing major, just a little something. I find that if you just kind of keep on maintenance, you won't have to worry about having to completely arch them over. Now, if you let them go, then you might have to use the other hand. So I've actually had this soap for a little while, but I definitely did not want to use it without being able to bring light to our sister's company. So I'm very excited to finally be using it. And I think that it's best if I go ahead and clean up my eyebrows first before I wash it. There we go. That way I can get the hair while I'm washing my face as well. All right. So my face is dry right now. So I'm going to start off with, first thing first, I'm going to wash my own hands before washing my face. So let's just do that. Take a look at this wash and go. If you guys didn't see my last two videos actually, the first video I was showing about my wash and go was how I achieved it, and then the second one was how I stretched it out. So that was pretty cool. Check it out. I believe that was Vlogmas Day 8 and Day 9. So make sure your bell notification is on and that you are subscribed so that you can follow this journey here for Vlogmas. Alright, so my hands are clean. Once I get done with the soap, I will end my nighttime routine with the Neutrogena treatment pads. They have definitely been a lifesaver to help keep my skin looking good. So I got my soap here. I'm going to go ahead and wet my face with some water. I think my skin is doing pretty good. I have issues with it, periodically throughout the month. Just like really small acne here. And I think that's mainly because I use a lot of different like hair products and oils and stuff. And so my skin just kind of gets irritated. But like I could literally have like these bumps here one day. And then if I do a proper regimen for my face, then within a day or two, they will be gone. So that's why I'm definitely happy to have this soap. So my face is wet, and then I'm going to also wet this bar of soap. And just go ahead and see what happens. I like the color of this soap. It reminds me of my own skin, so that's cool. So let's go ahead and get in here. It feels really good going on. I like the ridges, the design of the soap, so it's definitely helping me to get a good scrub. I can appreciate that for sure. Gonna go ahead and get my forehead, my most trouble area here. Try to avoid my hair if I can. Put a little bit more water. It's definitely spreading pretty good. It's hard to see it, but it is setting up here. Can you see? I'll use my fingers to get close to my under eye area and in the areas that is hard to reach, like up in here. I don't wear makeup, but for some reason the top of my eyelids are like always glistening and shining. I may wear some makeup one day, try to figure it out, so maybe it'll help my top of my eyelids to not be so shiny. Maybe makeup will help me calm that shine down a bit. Or maybe the shine is a good thing. I don't know. Okay, you guys. So now I have applied the soap all over my face. So, oh yeah, let me make sure I get them eyebrows. I just arched them. I want to make sure that all is well there. I don't have any issues with redness or anything. Okay, so I didn't use too much of the soap, so that looks good. And so now I'm just going to massage it in for a few moments. Alright, so now that it's been massaged in, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off, and we'll see how my face looks. Okay, so my face has been washed. Let me go ahead and dry it. Just like to kind of pat it dry. With a fresh, clean towel. Wow, it looks really good, you guys. I'm trying to get closer so you can see. My face feels so clean and soft. Yeah, she has a really good product. So that was my first time using it. I'm definitely going to begin to keep using it at least a couple of times. So that I can really see if it works to help me to clear up my acne. But boy, that really I feel like my skin tone is even a little bit lighter now. But that's pretty good. So I do have another face scrub that I use. So I'll be using that one in between. So yes. So now it's time for the Neutrogena, the Rapid Clear Treatment Pads. I don't use this as often as I should. But they are a little bit pricey. If you know Neutrogena, you know these products can be a little pricey. So I try not to really use them unless I have an active breakout, such as here on my forehead. So these are pretty cool and easy to use. Just kind of try to hit it right under my hairline and just go in a circular motion. And if I use this a couple times this week, I'm pretty sure that my acne will go ahead and go away. But I have not been using it, so that's why it looks the way it looks. Alright, you guys, so we're just about done with this nighttime skincare routine. Alright, voila! So I am done. I feel like my face feels really good. I like to kind of air dry this Neutrogena. It just feels really good. A nice little fan. But yeah, guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of my skin. Does it look better? Does it look the same? What do you guys think? Shout out to our sister Amiya and her product at Amiya Beaute, and her information will be down in my description if you're interested in buying the soap. I believe it's pretty affordable. It was $10, I believe, and I have to catch the ingredients for you guys. If I can find the ingredients, I'll put them on the screen for you. If not, definitely check out the website in my description. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video so I can work on the next Vlogmas day, because you guys, we are rolling and we're going strong. So if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit the subscription button and hit the thumbs up for me, as well as your bell notification. Also, check out that blue join button to see if the memberships that I offer are something that you're interested in. I'll be happy to be of service any way I can if you check out those options and see what one works best for you. Anywho, I am Tiarrea B, and I am out.